The sky's falling, the wind is calling, stand for something or die in the morning. Section 80, high power.
I'm Janvi Saxena.
I'm Ayush Salvi.
I'm Yashika Shines. I am Avishi Gupta.
Hi, I'm Samarth Sarvekar.
I am Abir Dharmadikari.
I'm Neerja Gokte.
I'm Natasha Matthew.
I'm Anushka Singh.
Tanvi Jagtap. Hi, I'm Jenny Sankhani.
I am Preet Nagda.
My name is Tanvi Borse.
I'm Diksha Parmeshwaran. I'm Shravani Batha.
I'm Bhakti Neval.
I am Aryan Parihar. I am Divesh Singh.
I'm Shreya Kopia. My name is Richa Lalwani.
My name is Aryan Wankade.
I'm Nishita Agarwal. I'm Prajita Sainwal.
I am Surujan Tambe.
I'm Ranjan Sapani. I am Priyana Mulani. I'm Shalini Mhatre.
My name is Rehan Tiwari.
Ashmi Dapke.
Introduce yourself.
I'm Shalini Mhatre, the director of the Joint Crisis Committee at ISMAN 2K25.
Introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Neha Tiwari.
My name is Rehan Tiwari and I'm the assistant director at the Joint Crisis Committee at ISMAN 2K25.
I grieve different.
Hello, I'm Kashmi Dapke. I'm the moderator for the Joint Crisis Committee at ISMAN 2K25.
What was your weirdest MUN experience?
Once a delegate actually raised a motion to have lunch.
If your committee was a show, what show would it be?
It would be Ranjiti, Balakot and beyond. I think it accurately captures the vibe of our committee.
What's the most overused line in an MUN?
The delegate would like to raise a motion of entertainment of 20 minutes.
If your committee was a food item, what would it be?
I think it would be Rogan Josh because it's too good to be shared and too complicated to be understood.
What's the best part about being a delegate?
Probably dancing with Aryan Wankade during the entertainment motion.
What is the biggest ick? What's the biggest ick about a resolution?
Grammatical errors.
Colons, there should be hyphens, there should be colons, semicolons, commas, full stops, and complete lack of capital letters.
Grammatical errors.
Will you please introduce yourself for us?
My name is Aryan Wankade. I am the director of United Nations Security Council for ISMAN 2K25.
I'm Nishita Agarwal. I'm the Assistant Director for the United Nations Security Council for ISMAN 2K25. I'm Prajita Sainwal, the Moderator of United Nations Security Council for ISMAN 2K25.
What's the biggest ick in a resolution?
When people don't use bold or italics.
What's the weirdest MUN experience you had?
So this one time the delegate of Pakistan actually fell to her knees and started crying real tears just because she wanted funds from the rest of the committee.
If your committee was a food, what would it be?
Biryani, because it's spicy and it is layers.
What's the most overused phrase you have heard in a committee?
Honorable Chair and esteemed delegates, the delegate of USA feels privileged. Oh my god, stop. Just getting flashbacks of me.
If your committee was a show, what would it be?
Probably the diploma.
What's the best part about being a delegate?
The tree. The tea, guys. Tea, sorry.
What's the best part about being a delegate?
The tea and the drama.
Please have a seat.
Thank you.
Can you please start by introducing yourself?
I'm Bhakti Neval and I'm the director for AIPPM of ISMAN 2K25.
I am Aryan Parihar. I am the assistant director of AIPPM for ISMAN 2K25.
Hello, I'm Divesh Singh, the moderator of AIPPM at ISMAN 2K25.
If your committee was a food, what food would it be?
Definitely Pani Puri.
What's your biggest ick in a resolution?
Probably when a delegate just puts a full stop in the
Best part about being a delegate?
For me personally, is जब entertainment motion चालू होता है.
What do you think is What is the most overused line in a MUN?
I do personally hate when delegates start quoting history rather than giving solutions.
If your committee would be a show, what show would it be?
I'd say Maharani.
Weirdest MUN experience?
उसमें एक ब्लॉक के सारे डेलीगेट्स ने अपनी चप्पलें उठाई थी.
Hi, please have a seat. Start by introducing yourself.
I'm Neerja Gokte, the director of CCC for IS1 2K25.
I'm Natasha Matthew, the assistant director for CCC for IS1 2K25.
Hi, I'm Anushka Singh, the moderator of CCC for ISMN 2K25. Chasma.
If your committee would be a food, what would it be?
I'd say it would be Pulse.
What is the biggest ick in directive?
It's gotta be a simple answer, nuclear bombings.
What show would your committee be?
I'd say it would be Stranger Things. From Vito to Vecna, the monster lied within.
Your weirdest MUN experience?
It's gotta be so traumatic, I need a moment.
I need a moment.
Almost shot at in the committee last year. Sorry.
What is the most overused line you have heard in an MUN?
Oh, it has to be delegates decorum.
What is the best thing about being a delegate?
It gives me confidence.
It's the one and only Digo Double G.
Start by introducing yourself.
Hi, my name is Anvi Jagtap, director of G20 committee from ISMN 2K25.
Hi, I'm Jenny Sankhani. I'm the assistant director of G20 for ISMN 2K25.
I'm Preet Nagda, the moderator of G20 in ISMN 2K25.
Part about being a delegate.
Having fun in socials.
If your committee had to be a food, what would it be?
I think Chinese bhel.
What is your weirdest MUN experience?
I was in HCC. We were simulating World War II. Heisenberg became the premier.
Committee would have to be a show. What would it be?
Peaky Blinders.
What's your biggest stick in a joint statement?
When countries are really vague and don't specify what they're saying.
What is the most overused phrase in an MUN?
Can I answer by chit?
Hi, please have a seat. Can you please introduce yourself?
Absolutely. Hi, I'm Shreya Kopia, the director of UNW.
I'm Richa Lalwani, the moderator of United Nations Women.
A weirdest MUN experience?
So last year I was a delegate in UNSC and I was a delegate of Russia. So for 2 whole days, the flag of Russia and the flag of France had been swapped and absolutely no one noticed. And that was pretty funny to me.
Biggest ick in a resolution?
Formatting errors. I cannot deal when delegates make issues with the format.
When delegates make issues with the format.
What is the most overused phrase in an MUN?
I think by the chair, it might be delegates, raise your placards a bit higher.
If your committee was a food, what would it be?
I'd say maybe like a red velvet cupcake that really resonates with us. It's really nice and yummy.
Not so blind.
If your committee was a show, what would it be?
I think it would be The Crown because it, matches a lot with the committee's proceedings.
मुझे तुम्हार शो तुझे तुम्हार मुझे तुम्हार तारा. Can you introduce yourself for us?
I'm Janvi Saxena, the director of UNODC for IS1 2K25.
Are you still getting it? Okay.
Can you introduce yourself for us?
I'm Ayush Salvi, the assistant director of UNODC in ISMN 2K25.
Can you introduce yourself for us?
I'm Yashika Shainson, the moderator for UNODC at ISMN 2K25.
What's the most fun thing you had to do as a delegate?
Sending brownies to other delegates and just confusing them.
Can you tell us about the weirdest MUN experiences you've had?
Okay, So I have this weirdest MUN experience. There once was the Taylor Swift and Kanye West joined hands, assassinated all the people, and became the president of their own each countries. That was the hilarious experience that I've ever had.
If your committee was a food or drink, what would it be? If your committee was a food or drink, what would it be?
Coke. Diet.
If your committee was a show, what would it be?
It would for sure be Breaking Bad.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
What's the most overused line you've ever heard in a committee?
Oh, decorum, of course. Decorum.
Decorum. What is the biggest ick in a resolution?
Full stop. 2K25.
Cut.
For CRIP for 2K, ISMAN 2K25. Hi, my name is Tanvi Borse. I am the director for CRIP for ISMAN 2K25.
Accurately represent.
Hi, I'm Diksha Parmeshwaran, the assistant director for CRIP for ISMAN 2K25.
Hi, I'm Shravani Bachhav, the moderator for CRIP for ISMAN 2K25.
What's the biggest ick in a resolution?
When a non-nuclear country tries to nuke another country.
What's the best part about being a delegate?
Oh, definitely when you make an insane point in your speech and the entire committee goes crazy.
If the committee was a food, what would it be?
Let's get ready to rumble!
Food. Hyderabadi.
If your committee Go. If your committee was a food, what would it be?
You were not selling. That's right.
If your committee was a food, what would it be?
Food. Hyderabadi biryani for sure.
If your committee was a show, what would it be?
I'd say City of Dreams.
What's the most overused line in an MUN?
Then the EB says that delegates do not use personal pronouns.
What's been your weirdest MUN experience?
Probably last year when in CRIP in itself, Zhao Enlai and Nehru did a couple dance together. Hi.
Can you introduce yourself?
I am Avishi Gupta, the director of UNGA SOCOM for ISMAN 2K25.
Hi, I'm Samat Avelkar. I'm the assistant director of UNGA SOCOM for ISMAN 2K25.
I am Abir Dharmadikari, the moderator of UNGA SOCOM for ISMAN 2K25.
If your committee was a TV show, what would it be?
Suits.
What is your biggest ick in a resolution?
The countries have not even agreed to be the signatories are listed as the signatories.
If your committee was a food, what would it be?
Fried chicken.
What is your weirdest MUN experience?
Weirdest, alright. So in one of the MUNs that I did, the delegate of Afghanistan did something to the delegate of Russia that I can't really say on camera. So if you want to know more about it, see you at UNGA SOCOM.
What is the most overused phrase in an MUN?
Overused phrase. Okay. It's America's fault.
What's the best part about being a delegate?
The best part about being a delegate. Wait, let me show that. Wearing suits.
Hi.
Can you please introduce yourself for us?
Hello everyone, I'm Srujan Tambe, the director for EcoSoc in ISMAN 2K25.
I'm Ranjan Supani, the assistant director of EcoSoc at ISMAN 2K25.
I am Tiana Gulani, the moderator of EcoSoc at ISMAN 2K25.
So, what's the biggest ick in a resolution?
when the delegates forget to use the basic punctuations.
What's the most used phrase you've heard in MUN?
The most used phrase that I have heard is the delegate strongly believes whenever anyone is stating their stance.
What's the best part about being a delegate?
Food.
What's the weirdest MUN experience you've had?
The weirdest MUN experience I had was when the delegate of Pakistan, in a right to reply, tore their sheet and threw it on the delegate of India's face.
If your committee was a show, what show would it be?
Money Heist.
If your committee was a food item, what would it be?
EcoSock is forever. It's like dal chawal. For 50 saal or till you die.